So guys, how is your day in your little round pen going? Have you joined up yet? Have you joined up? Have you created that bond and connection? Have you created bond and connection? Da ja vidim to. Briši. Hod vamo. Hod, brzo. Zafer. Bravo, bravo. Oho. Have you connected in your little round pen? You know, all those guys are telling you is an absolute bullshit. Chasing their legs around and doing all these things will not create connection with your horse, brother. Not like this one. Hopa! Gavran, nemoj molim te da moram reagovati. Gavran, čuješ li me? Bravo. Hop. I must watch my back. That idiot is behind me. Bravo, laganic. Bravo, ajme šmal, hop. Bravo, ljepotan mu. Bravo. That's a connection, brother. Try those things you teach your horse in a round pen. Try them outside just to see if they work.